Hello everyone, let's learn how to create table search and edit functions. Searching and editing primarily serve as aids for adding and deleting. Why do we say they serve as aids? Because without searching, we can view the data one by one. Without editing, we can delete first and then add a new record. With them, data management becomes more convenient and efficient. First, let's set up the widgets. Drag in a repeater table. Duplicate a box for the last column. Enter edit and change its style. Then drag in a few boxes to make table headers. Drag in a few widgets to create an editing pop-up. We need a title, a close button, 3 labels and text fields, as well as a confirm and delete button. Create it as a dynamic panel. Pin it to the middle center of the browser. Hide it. Name text fields. Drag in a text field and a button. Change the button text to search. Let's set the interactions. Name the dynamic panel edit and the text field search box. Select the search button and add a click interaction to it. Add a filter with the rule first name contains text on the widget search box. Make sure to uncheck Remove Other Filters and select Match Any. Duplicate this filter twice, select last name and score respectively. Now, select the Edit button and add a click interaction. Set it to show the edit as a lightbox. Then, uncheck all rows and mark this row. Select the Confirm button and add a click interaction to it. Hide the Edit panel. Next, select the Edit button in the repeater and set the text field first name to the value of the repeater's item.firstName. Similarly, set the text field last name to the value of the repeater's item, last name, and the text field score to the value of the repeater's item, score. Finally, select the Confirm button. Edit the row data by setting the value of first name to the text of the first name text field, last name to the text of the last name text field, and score to the text of the score text field. Preview the prototype. Enter the name in the search box and click the Search button. The data for the row with the name should be displayed. Click the Edit button, modify the values in the pop-up, and click the Confirm button to update the data in the table. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.